Say goodbye to power outages and high electricity bills. Hanchu's complete system instantly solves your power troubles. Featuring integrated high-security blade batteries, delivering long lifespan and high density to form the reliable core of energy storage. Empower your energy storage products with a philosophy of minimalist installation. We redefine convenience with clear, out-of-the-box guidance. Modular design ensures effortless component integration. From unboxing to operation, achieve rapid self-deployment in mere moments. Experience exceptional efficiency with worry-free, hassle-free performance. Equipped with a 100 a high-current smart controller, delivering an ultra-fast energy experience. Break through spatial boundaries and redefine energy control. Monitor device operation status, battery charge, and input or output power remotely in real time anytime, anywhere via the mobile app. Confronting the harshest outdoor challenges with unwavering performance, it withstands the erosion of extreme conditions like wind, sand, rain, and salt spray. This ensures the stable operation of internal precision components under any adversity, keeping the power flowing without interruption.